हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल क्यूरियोसिटी अनलिमिटेड। आज हम ये वाला जो बॉक्स है इसे अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं। इसका अंदर एक शू रैक है, उस शू रैक को इंस्टॉल करेंगे। सेल्फ इंस्टॉलेशन है, DIY है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो चैनल को लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, जो भी करना है आपको पता है कर दो। Okay guys, so here we can see there are some 9 wooden this thing that we will use to build the box, and there are some small things like the screws, the handles, the plastic things, another plastic thing, 2 Allen key wrenches, some another screws, bolts, and some nails. This is a divider. These are some legs, and these are the door hinges. So all these things are given. They are given the Allen wrenches, but they are not included a screwdriver or a hammer, so that you need to have to install this yourself. Let's start building. They have also included this assembly instructions, which is one is part list, and the other one is the assembly instructions, 2 pages. Okay, so I'll go through that and then I'll start building it. I'll not be showing you the instructions and how do I go that. You can obviously, when you order it for yourself, you can anyways get this list.